Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And
now be sure to use my referral code in the description box below. Okay, I'll also leave it on the screen right now so you can use my referral code and actually get a bonus for yourself when you actually sign up on this particular website. Now, as you can see, this website just looks exactly like Instagram. It has a professional dashboard right here, and on the professional dashboard you can see right here, for every 1,000 views you will get 10 cents. And the best part about this app is that you can monetize instantly. Okay, currently I have in about 4 cents right here from about 440 views. Okay, as you can see, and for each referral on this particular website you'll be giving 30 cents. Okay, now there's a good or a thing about this particular referral system that you have to understand to actually help you earn more for yourself. So when your referral stay active, the following month you also get 30 cents for each referral that stayed active. Okay, it's like a referring commission, but your referrals have to be active for you to gain that referral commission every single month. Now you can start requesting payment when you have at least $10 available in your earnings. Okay, so basically you just click on this section right here. Okay, you can just click on this particular one, click on invite a friend and endpoint, and you get to copy a referral link from here. Click on share or click on copy this link to actually copy your invite link right now. Okay, so you can just post. To post, click on this plus icon right here, click on this plus icon to actually make a post right here, and you are good to go. All right, you can also come over to the home section and view posts, and this is basically a sports app. All right, this is a sports app, and if you use my referral code you earn 1 points like this, as you can see. Now the points can also be converted to buzzer coin in the future. All right, you can see one app, every sport, every fan, and you can also set up your wallet right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the conversion rate of 1 point right here, and this is their roadmap. Now they will actually get a CX listing on June 1st, 2026, but aside that, you can start earning right now just by inviting your friends and by getting views on your post. So you can post multiple times daily, and when you get views you start earning for yourself instantly with no monetization criteria. Okay, you could also gain followers right here and start building your own online presence on this new particular app. So be sure to actually check out this app with the link in the description box below. My referral code will also be in the description box below. Use that code and get some bonus points for yourself right now. Refer your friends also to start earning for yourself, and you can withdraw straight to your PayPal account when you get to $10 in your earnings. Okay, now if you have any questions, be sure to leave in the comment section below. I'll reply within the next 24 hours. Like this video and share it to your friends who are also interested in making money online, so they too can learn exactly how to make money online by watching this video or any other video right here on my channel. With that said guys, I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.